Hi guys, this is Christy Fulk with Create with Christy. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the U.S. While the new online store is live, I love it. You can just tell how really pretty it looks. We're all just looking at the home screen. I wanted to show you the ins and outs on it and show you some of the features and show you how to put your host codes in, how to put your bonus day coupons which you have to redeem this month, all this neat stuff. Now first off, if you look in the top left, this says Shopping with Christy Fulk. My name automatically popped up when I came here because I used my personalized link, and you can find the link to my store in the video description below if you're watching on YouTube. I've also got it shop now link on my Facebook page and my blog createwithchristy.com, and you can get there easily. But if you end up going to stampinup.com to shop and you don't have my personalized code, it'll say find a demonstrator. You click on that, then you can look me up and set me as your demonstrator. Now, if you have an account and you've got me down as your preferred demonstrator, my name will always pop up. So I'll tell you a little more about that here in a minute. Now, the first thing I want to let you know when you sign into your account, if you had your browser save your password, it's not going to recognize this site. So for the first time, you're going to have to manually put your password in. Now, if you have forgotten your passwords, I'm going to click sign in here. I have mine written down, but if you have forgotten your password, you just click Forgot Password, put your email in and reset it. And below you're going to find the email address that's going to pop up. You want to make sure that's either on your contact list or check your junk and spam folder because sometimes it'll get pushed in there. If you have that email in your contact list, it should go directly to your inbox. But if it doesn't, make sure you check your spam or junk folder. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this because I'm going to put my password in. So we type in my email address, then my password, and then sign in. Now mine says I can save it now, so I'm going to save it now so I don't have to remember that. So that should happen with you if you're using, especially if you're using Google. I'm using Google Chrome. So now I am signed in. It says Hello Christy up here at the right. So that lets me know that I'm signed into my account. So let's go ahead and go to the account real quick. We've got account settings. Got my password here. You can edit it, a lot of neat things. Got your addresses, default shipping addresses. You can save some addresses if you want to send it to other people. Your payment information, past orders. I love this. Now, I usually place my orders on the demo side, so that's why you're not seeing much on here. But you can check all your past orders. Very cool. So you can click View Details and see your order. Love that feature. Then there's a wish list, and I will show you how to do that here. Right now there's one that's just called favorites, but you can create a new list right here. And let's say I wanted to put Christmas list. Then I'll click create new list, and now I've got one right there. So that's pretty cool. Then the one that says demonstrator, I'm down as my preferred demonstrator in my account because I've only shopped with me. Now, if you want to shop without a demonstrator, you can click that, and then Stampin' Up! Will automatically choose a demonstrator for you. If you've got an account and a demonstrator, there's no reason to use that. But you can find a different demonstrator to shop with. You either do the Find a Demonstrator by name, and then you click in their name, or Find a Demonstrator near me, and then you can put your zip code, and it'll find demonstrators that are near you. But say you're doing that workshop with a friend who has another demonstrator and is doing a workshop and you're placing an order to help them out to get free stuff. Then you can do Find a Demonstrator by name, and then you can enter their name and search them out. That by that demo, not by the your friend. But more than likely, they will have a link to their store because that's another neat thing. I'm going to be able to do links with the host codes, so you won't have to enter the host code. So that's pretty cool. There's still going to be an option so you can enter it manually. See, communication. You can put, yes, I'd like to receive promotional offers and new product notifications from Stampin' Up! So you can check that if that's a yes. And when you choose to share your information with and receive communication from a demonstrator, you can manage your communication preferences here. So I'll go ahead and click yes. And I think that'll change later. So we'll do that. I already get the stuff since I'm a demonstrator. And then you can sign out here. So that's everything with your account. So let's go back to the home page. To get back to the home page, just click on the Stampin' Up! Logo, and that brings us right back. You can, if you don't have an account, there was a section up here that said create an account. So you want to remember that. So you can do that. I do suggest doing an account because that way you can have those wish lists saved. You're going to be able to share your wish lists at Christmas if you want to share them. It's so many neat things with this. I love this store. Okay, let's go to Shop Products, and you can see all the different sections they've got. Let's say we want to look at the bundled savings. Then you can click on ink bundles or stamp the block bundles, which are the acrylic blocks, stamp the die bundles. Let's look at that. We'll click on that, and that should take us to all the bundles right here. Notice those big pictures. Remember those little bitty ones we had in the online store? Very cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on the product. You can just click on the picture, and this will give you all the information you need. It's got the guarantee and exchanges. And I want to show you something really neat. There's the add to list. So I'm going to click that heart because I do like this set. I'm going to click add to list, and then it shows my different lists. Now, if you don't have the favorites, is the one that automatically gets there. I added my Christmas list. Since this is Christmas, I'm going to put it on my Christmas list. Now it says one item added to Christmas list. And I can go get my lists by clicking on the heart here, and that'll take me to my wish lists. And right now I've just got the one. Pretty cool, isn't it? And then there's the share button. Let's see where that's at. There we go, share list. You can delete your list, edit it, share your list. So if you click on that, it gives you a website address. You copy the link, and you can email that to your friends and family if they want to order something for you for Christmas or your birthday. Pretty cool. Didn't want you to miss out on that. And then they've got other sections, like here's a scrapbooking section. We can click on that. There's this albums and supplies. No, this actually will take you to all the scrapbooking section. I love the big pictures. It is such a pretty site. And there's all the scrapbooking things, the papers and things like that. If you want to look at the albums, you can go to the albums. And there are the albums we have. Just really neat. Oh, let's see what's new. New arrivals. There's the August to December mini catalog. That's new. So let's go to that. Okay, beautiful picture. So all of the new things are right there. They're all in alphabetical order. You can also filter. Those are the colors. So if you want to look for things with colors that you like, there's color swatches, and you just go on them. It says red, so you can find garden green. That should be real red, I'm sure. But see, all the other colors are written down. Sizes, price ranges. This is stuff we didn't have before. Let's see, language, English or French, cling or photopolymer. Say you only like photopolymer, you could click that. Image, it's just all these different things. All occasion, religious, builder, coloring, just a lot of different things that you can do. They're the suites in this catalog, so you can click on a suite if that's what you're looking for. Let's look at my favorite one, poinsettia place. We'll click on that. And now it's just showing the stuff that's in the poinsettia place. Now I wanted to show you the quick shop part. If we click on quick shop, it pops up a real quick little thing to let you see things. And you can click on the pictures to see them. You can even see bigger pictures. If you click on the plus section, brings them up even bigger. Go with this one, do a plus. Very cool. And you just click out of it to take it away. Now I want to show you one thing with that. Let's go to the papers, paper and packaging. And it isn't going to say designer series paper anymore. That's going to say pattern paper, because some people that are new to crafting don't know all of our names. So we're going to go to pattern paper. And let's go ahead and just click on this one. You can do this in the quick shop too. Now I can click on here and you get a big version so you can see what the papers look like. So there's this one, and that shows you the back right behind it. The very next picture shows the back. So you're going to see the full 12 by 12 of each one. You can click on the plus sign to see the bigger picture. Then click on it again, and then you can go to the next picture. So I love that, because there's so many times you're looking at our papers and like, oh, I can't tell what it looks like. Well, now you can go in here, and they are really good pictures, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. Now I want to show you the search feature. Right up here, you can just click on that little icon here. And let's say we're looking for Christmas stuff, since Christmas is on my mind right now, because that's what I've been buying. And you can also put the item number up here, the title of the product you want. But let's just say you just want to see all the Christmas stuff. There we go. Everything that's related to Christmas is going to pop up, and you can click load more and just keep going through. It's pretty neat. It doesn't have to have Christmas in the title. It's just picking up anything that is Christmassy. Like the Perfectly Plaid, that's in the annual catalog. So it's not just going to do the mini catalog Christmas. It's going to get all the Christmas stuff together for you. And once again, you can just do the quick shop. And if you like it, then you just add it to your cart, like so. So I'll add that to my cart. Then we'll go ahead, let's see what else. I'm going to add a few things to my cart here. Actually, I just bought that, so let's, I guess it doesn't matter because I'm not going to be doing this. Let's do the, go back to the bundled savings. Let's say we'll add this to the cart since I like this one a lot. And I'm going to try to get it up to a $150 order. Now we can go up here and so you just hover over the cart and it'll show the list of the stuff you have so far. So I know I'm at $60.75. Let's add something else here. Oh, let's add this one. So I'm going to do quick shop, add to cart. Let's do this one. Now that should get me up to past the $150. Yep, they're at $154. Wow, that was pretty close. So you can, and now it's telling me that I can get Stampin' rewards. Yay, you have $15.40 in Stampin' rewards to spend. Now I want to show you something. Let's go, let's look at this one. We'll go ahead and do quick shop. Now it gives you the option to add it to the cart or claim your rewards. So what you can do, let's say I've got $154, but I'm wanting to get more rewards. You need to keep adding the stuff to your cart until you've got everything you want to buy in your cart. Then after that, everything you want to be is your free stuff. Then you start clicking claiming rewards. Now, if you ever get up to the $450 order, which gives you the 50% off item, there's going to be another box that comes down here and it says claim your 50% item. So that'll give you the options. So keep adding everything you want to your cart until you're done. Then start claiming your rewards. You pick out what you want and then click the claim your rewards. So pretty easy. So since I have already got, let me go ahead and get out of here. Let's find something that's a little cheaper because that's a little too much for my, let's see, we'll go back to shop products. Let's go to embellishments. Could have gone directly to something else, but I wanted to show you all the embellishments. So let's put about $15 worth of stuff in here. So I'm going to claim rewards. I'll do this. And let's say I want this. Now, more than likely, that's to the 15. Let's check. So I clicked View Cart. Yep, I've used all of my rewards, it says. So here are the things that I ordered here at the top. Okay. And then here at the bottom are my rewards. And it gives me my rewards total, $3.60. Because you still have to pay the sales tax and the shipping and the overage since we went to $19. And there's everything in my shopping cart. The detailed bells are in the clearance rack. So there is a clearance rack, so you can find that. That's what you would find under specials in the clearance right here. And then you would just go to check out. Once you're all done, you check out. And you go from there. Oh, I did want to share with you. Let's go back. Let's go back to the cart. So if you get to the checkout and you want to go back to the cart, do so. Now we've got coupon code. So we'll click on that, and I'm going to put my coupon codes in. Now, the reason the host, okay, I want to show, we're going to take some things out of here, so I don't have any rewards. Because I wanted to show you where you can put your host code, because the host code section went away since I qualified for a host benefit. So let's go ahead and redo that again. There we go. Now that we're under the $150, the host code is showing up again. Because once you're over $150, you don't need a host code because you're the hostess. Pretty cool. So let's put in my host code. So I'll put host code. I'm just going to paste that in and then click apply. So that's all ready to go. Now I have my coupon codes. And I've got those on a little note thing too. So I'm going to go ahead. You have to enter those individually. So I'm only going to do the one. Click plus, enter the code, click apply, and there's the code. Now I want to add my next one. And if you just have one, then you're done. But if you've got more than one like I do, I've already redeemed some of my other coupons. I got my new die cutting machine. Can't wait to get that. Okay, we're going to copy that. And you can find yours in your email if you didn't save it like I did. Then click apply. So you just keep doing that till all of your coupons are there. Now I'm going to remove those because I'm going to use those later on another order. So I didn't want to lose those. But that's how you do that. Then you click checkout and you're ready to go. So pretty simple. I think I've gone over everything. Oh, there are things if you shop products and they're low inventory, that will pop up. It will also tell you when things aren't on back order. When they're on back order, you'll still be able to order them. They're just letting you know it's going to take you a little longer. So I love that. Okay, now whenever you're on any screen, we're back on the home screen. You see this feedback button right here? You can let Stampin' Up! Know when you like something, when there's a problem with something, if you have a suggestion, if there's something you don't like. They want to hear from you so they can work on it. And they want to know if you like it too. That way, they'll keep it. If they know people like it, they'll keep it. Now you have a generic feedback, and so just like to give a general feedback on the entire website. Say, I love it, or if it's too slow, whatever you need to say, let them know if it's just generic. If there's something specific, you click on that, and just click on the part of the page you would like to give the feedback about. So let's go back to the, let's look for the product thing. We can do die cutting, and let's say there's something wrong with this. They've got the wrong picture or something. Click specific feedback, and then we can click on that, and that's going to be the specific. Then you say how you're feeling about it. That way they know if it's a hate one or a dislike, they know they need to look at that real quick so they can take care of it. Then you can choose the subject, whether it's a compliment, suggestion, or technical issue. And we'll put compliment, and then you can write down what you want, how likely you recommend. You answer everything and then submit it. So very cool. I love that feedback. I'm glad they added that. So that's everything you need to know. I hope you have fun ordering from the new catalog. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll get them answered to you right away. Have a great day, guys. Bye.